call it. This is the elevator at Barnes & Noble, Woodland Mall, Grand Rapids, Michigan. It's a Schindler 330A.
I'm sure no one's...
I tried to film the escalators and they wanted to know what I was doing, but that's right in the middle of the store. It's got the indicator. That's nice.
The lights are burned out.
Nice. Go to 2. VR fixtures. This hasn't changed since I filmed it in 2018.
It's a very basic Barnes & Noble elevator.
Yeah. And there are books. See the escalators over there? Yeah, I don't... Oh, there's CFLs in there. That's weird. This one's trying to work.
It's Isaac.
There's Dakota.
Oh, this one barely works.
I have a feeling they don't use this too often. They would have noticed. It's a, what's the capacity? 4,500 pounds. There's no... Oh, yeah, there is. ABA. There it goes. And that's it. Westinghouse keyhole. Thanks for watching. Feel free to subscribe and click like if you like what you see, and follow me on the web, wix.com/theelevatorworld/fans. Bye-bye.